Hello?
Hey, Mom, I need your help.
Are you in trouble?
No, Mom. I'm trying to recreate your pork dumpling so I can surprise my friends this weekend.
Oh, wow, I'm so proud of you.
Maybe you can walk me through the process one more time so I don't make a mess here?
Do you have all the ingredients ready? Flour?
Well, I bought dumpling wrappers.
Yeah, that's not how you make my dumplings.
Mom, I really don't think that I can handle making the dough just yet. Also, I bought ground pork, not tenderloin.
Fine. Did you get cabbage, siu choy?
Yeah, Mom, I already had some Napa cabbage in the fridge before I went shopping. I chopped it and squeezed the water out from it.
Good. Always nice to check your refrigerator before shopping. Also, you can use all parts of the Napa cabbage in the dumplings. Don't waste anything.
I won't.
And you have sesame seed oil, soy sauce, cooking wine, green onion, and ginger?
Yep, I got all those, and I minced the ginger and scallion.
Okay, you have everything. Put the ground pork into a big bowl and add 1 egg white.
Oops, I used the whole egg on accident.
That's okay. Next time, separate the yolk from the egg white and save the yolk for fried rice later. Now you can add ginger, green onion, a little bit of sesame seed oil, 3 full spoons of soy sauce, and a small spoon of cooking wine.
Okay, done.
Oh, and don't forget to add the cabbage.
Should I start stirring the whole thing now?
That's right. Keep stirring until it gets sticky,
How sticky?
like it can hold a chopstick. And if you don't use all the filling, you can keep it in a clear container and freeze it for the next time. That way you don't forget what's in there.
Oh, okay. So I won't end up throwing it away after 6 months.
Exactly. Is the filling sticky yet?
Sticky enough. I think I'm ready for the fun part.
Remember what I told you last time? Don't add too much filling in one dumpling.
I know. Otherwise the filling will come out and my dumplings will fall apart.
Right. Now you want to get a small bowl of water so you can dip your finger. 搽少少水喺個邊啊.
You want me to moisten the edge of the wrapper with a wet fingertip, right?
Yeah, that makes the wrapper easier to fold together.
Hold on, Mom. Hey, I think I got it.
有冇整折啊?
Yeah, the pleats look great. And it hasn't fallen apart yet.
Wow, I'm really proud of you. Say some for me and your dad.
I'll try, but you know I have to sample at least 8 of them to make sure that they're good.
Well, if you make too many, you can freeze the uncooked ones for another meal. Just make sure you put a layer of wax paper at the bottom of the container. And sprinkle some dry flour after you put in the dumpling so they don't stick together.
Okay, good to know. Maybe I'll freeze some for you and Dad.
That sounds wonderful.
Unless I get hungry. Okay, I gotta go, Mom. I gotta focus.
Don't eat all the dumplings.
Thank you, Mom. I'll send you photos.
Okay, bye-bye.